let's have another game. GuyFawkes. Alright. This variation, huh? I'll take on C6. Can I put GuyFawkes on the bonfire? Okay, so bishop A6. There's Queen A5, picking up the bishop. I'll just do bishop B3. Queen F3. Okay. Now, if knight F6, which someone's cheekily played against me before, maybe I should just play E5. Just trying to win a pawn. Or is it too risky? It's too risky, really, isn't it? Knight C3 then. Maybe bishop G5 and castle queenside. Or I wonder if I should leave this bishop on C1 and actually just try and play H4 here. H4. So, being quite cheeky about this accelerated H-pawn attack, leaving the king in the centre for a moment. Because maybe he won't have the optimal placing, but right, bishop G5 now, maybe. Or is it? Bishop E3 has the advantage, it stops Queen B6. Okay, bishop E3 actually. Let's try and control this. One of the problems I've found in this variation is that's annoying actually. Maybe I do want to just allow because of the F file, but I don't know. Alright, bishop G5. Queen B6 and C5 is a dangerous plan. Also, he seems to have bishop D4 here. What do you do about that? Knight D1? Couldn't you castle queenside then? Maybe just castles. Bishop F2. Doesn't look that bad. So, okay, I'll castle here, I think. No, I might be threatening bishop E7. Or rook D7. So, bishop E7 or rook D7, how is he going to parry the threats? I don't think bishop C3 is any good. It's a take, or maybe the pawn. Queen A3 check is probably harmless. Bishop E7 here anyway. Bishop D6 to block D7. In fact, that's a useful move anyway to move the rook away from that. So this is the dangerous plan, which I don't know. If I take A3 and if C4, bishop moves back, and then maybe I'll have to play bishop B4 to stop an attack. Bishop B4 straight away, in fact. Stop an exchange attack with rook takes B4. You know, if the rook was on B8, I mean. Maybe here, I don't know, bishop A4, in fact. Target D7. Might be better than A2. Right, okay. Now can I just win the exchange? Bishop takes F8. Tempted. Takes D7. Not falling into something really horrible, am I? Bishop C3. Queen c3 or bishop h6, king b1. King's got some squares. This bishop's blocked in. The rook's kind of tied down to f7 at the moment. Maybe rook f1, actually, just travelling. Knight e3, though. B3 from B8. It's B3. Okay. So, if on f1, B3 is not clever. Ow, ow, ow. Alright, Queen G3 here. So still protecting C3, but also maybe Queen C7 becomes possible. This Queen G1's really dangerous. Rook D6, trying to get some tempo. So Queen G1, Rook D1. There's no bishop A6. Well, my knight's protecting at the moment. Queen D6 here. Aha. For an exchange of queens again. Okay, so what is going on here? I haven't managed to put GuyFawkes on the bonfire just yet. In fact, I'm losing more pawns, great. So, I'll try and win this c pawn. Mind you, I can lose e4 as well. But again, c4 takes, queen e4, bishop c4, lose g2 as well. Oh well. Oh dear. Didn't see that. Bishop d3 here, Queen d7, Queen d7, bishop e4, Queen e8, King g7. Bishop d3, there's bishop c3 and bishop e4. This looks horrible. Okay, I think Queen d7 anyway. Just plays bishop e4. Right, bishop e6. Bishop e6. Queen e1. King moves. Still with takes, and I take on e4. So Queen e1, King a2. Fe takes and knight e4. Bishop e6 seems to be a good idea in circumstances. We've only got about 30 seconds each anyway, so time to make a move. Move on. Okay, got him thinking with that bishop e6. Is he going to move? 10 seconds coming up. Ah. I don't think that was the move I was expecting, because I'd make next move. Queen g8. Anyway, please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.